in YouTube land. This is Jeffrey's regular channels here for the third consecutive day. How's everyone doing on this Monday, November the 10th, 2025? We have a couple of Operation Weathers we're doing right now today. So everyone gets their notifications and watch this. This is the first of two streams today between this channel and the train channel tonight, live in real time at 4:49 p.m. Eastern time in the U.S. This is live right now. We have an Operation Weather change as well there's a lake effect snow warning change in this because they're adding another county in there too besides Crawford for that lake effect snow warning. We have two Operation Weather statement or changes, right? Yep, we have two Operation Weathers today. We have a special weather statement, and then there's a lake effect snow warning change in effect. In addition to besides Crawford, there's another county adding in addition to the Crawford County. Hello, Scar. Welcome into the live stream. Doing pretty good. I'll review the Operation Weather updates in a minute, but I just want to come on here. No, we have two Operation Weather changes we're doing tonight right here on regular. This is also be the first of two times we're streaming between this channel, and then we're going to be streaming tonight on the train channel for Tuesday's rail fatting day if there is one. Depends on the snow. It depends how much snow is supposed to get between around this area, between this county. Yep, this is the third straight time we're going to stream on this because remember, I streamed yesterday for the winter storm watch. It was in effect for Erie and Crawford until 7 Tuesday. And then yesterday, we had 2 operation weather changes because we had a winter weather advisory for Erie and Crawford counties, and then a lake effect snow warning in effect for Crawford counties only until both times are until 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. And then we have 2 operation weather changes we're doing right here today, right here on the channel. We're going to try and save some data for tonight's live stream right here on the channel, right here on the train channel tonight. Oh, we don't need to read the weather yet. We need to do the updates first. All right. Well, first let's start off with a we have 2 operation weather or updates it is we're doing right now. We have a special weather statement in effect for Erie, Crawford, and Ashtabula counties of Ohio and Pennsylvania until 5:15 this evening. They're saying at 4:12 p.m. Eastern, Doppler radar indicated intense lake effect snow bands along with extending from 14 miles of Conneaut near Adamsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazardous visibility rapids less than a quarter of a mile included. The locations includes Ashtabula, Meadville, Conneaut, Edinboro, Girard, North Kingsville, Albion, Andover, Linesville, Adamsville, Potomac Central and North, Harmonsburg, Atlantic, Lake City, Kingsburg, Pierpont, Concordan, Sagertown, and Cherry Valley. Yeah, thank you. Use extra caution, must travel into the or through the lake effect snow bands. Rapid changes in visibility, potential slick roads are likely to lead to cause accidents. Sort of delayed traveling until the snow band passes your location. Again, this is a special weather statement in effect for Erie and Crawford counties of Pennsylvania, as well as Ashtabula County in Ohio, until 5:15 this evening. All happening this Monday, November the 10th, 2025, from the Jeffries regular channels on YouTube. Yeah. Also, we do have an operation weather change still. We have a lake effect snow warning remains in effect for Erie, but this time It's for southern Erie and Ness, in addition to Crawford County, until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. They're saying what? Heavy lake effect snow, total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches, higher amounts up to 10 inches possible, with wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Impacts roads, especially bridges, overpassing slick, hazardous, may drop 1/4 of a mile between falling and blowing snow. The strong winds would weight of snow on tree limbs may down power lines and could cause sporadic power outages. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will commute to tonight and tomorrow commute. Between tonight impact the tonight and tomorrow morning commutes. The heaviest and most perceiving snow expecting late this evening into Tuesday morning. Snowfall rates within the strongest band may reach up to 2 inches per hour. Precautionary and preparedness in actions. You must travel an emergency flashlight and water and food of an emergency in case of was. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, as well as the Turnpike, strongly encourage motorists to heal and all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadways, and traffic conditions. During the lake effect snow, the weather can be varied from bands of locally heavy snow due to dry weather just a few miles away. Visibility greatly prepared. Be prepared for rapid changes with weather, visibility, and lake and road conditions. Again, this is a lake effect snow warning in effect for Crawford counties, but this time we adding in and also for southern Erie counties. It is until 1 o'clock this afternoon. This November the 10th, 2025, from the Jeffries regular channel page on YouTube. Pretty good here, Scar. We have another Operation Weather we're doing right here tonight, and then we have two in this. Not many in the chat. It was a lot better in the chat both weekends. Yeah. Well, this is our third consecutive day we're streaming here because we went live twice yesterday, and then we streamed Saturday night for the winter storm watch, and then today and then yesterday they called for a winter weather advisory, and then just after dark there was an operation weather of the lake effect snow for Crawford County. We won't be streaming again after this until 8:30 tonight on the Train Channel to get ready for Tuesday's rail fanning day if there is one. It's depending on how much snow is supposed to get. Otherwise, otherwise it will be a cancellation stream for the second consecutive week. Or second consecutive Tuesday it is. I'm sorry. Second consecutive Tuesday at the least. See, yeah, we're not gonna get much views on this. I think we're gonna get better than that tonight when we stream here on the Train Channel. We had this is our third consecutive day going live, and this is the fourth time we're streaming in 3 days. I doubt we're not gonna see Terry or Jeremy in this chat until tonight on the Train Channel. I know Terry come in last night because I told him I told him on Eugene's live yesterday that regular has to stream the second time for that leg effect snow warning. Just like I said, I just said on Eugene's live, I'm gonna be using the Cricket phone for my live streams, and then we'll use my smartphone, maybe my crap phone for my for my camera versions. So this Cricket phone will be my live stream phone from now on. Not my smartphone. I usually do my live streams. Yeah, this is gonna be a new thing now. We're gonna be doing some live streaming on my Cricket, and then we'll just do the live stream, or and then we'll use my second phone as our camera versions in addition to so we don't want to use my cracked phone again to do my live streams, or to do the camera versions it is, not the live streaming. Yeah, that's gonna be something here on the right here on the channel. Well, hello Ollie, welcome into the live stream. Well, Ollie, we got some nasty weather coming in. Can you spell your name? We had some snow in there last night. We're saying the garage from behind us was snow covered, and then one neighbor's gazebo was snow covered too. But there was a little bit of snow sticking on the grass, but not all of it. Supposed to get worse for the next between tonight and tomorrow. Was supposed to call for about 5 to 8 inches or 3 to 8 inches of snow between in Crawford County, and then 6 to 11 inches in Erie County. And also, Ollie, thanks for stopping by Jeffrey the Train Channel's live uh, cancellation or closing, whatever you did stop by last week. Either as a cancellation stream or one of my closing streams from last week. I appreciate coming on here. I'm back in my long sleeves. I've been in my just my short sleeves for a few days though. There's possibility we could have some school or excuse me, school closings and cancellations too though. Thanks for the five. Thanks for the 5 likes. Yeah, yeah. I think not only Crawford, not but Erie. I think Erie and Crawford's supposed to get the worst. Though Crawford's are supposed to be getting the worst than Erie, but usually it's the opposite way. We're gonna read the weather here in a few minutes between Erie and Crawford County cities because I don't have any Ohio's on the Weather Channel app city wise. Just Erie and Crawford County cities is all I have on here. Is anybody else going to come on besides Ollie and one regular, or I'm sorry, one random? I'm sorry, and the usual train channel. Um, no, I don't think we're not going to see Terry or Jeremy in this chat until tonight. Because the only other stream we're going to be on is tonight, right here on the train channel, to get ready for Tuesday's rail fanning day, if there is one, depending on how much snow is supposed to get, though. Maybe there might be some camcord version opportunities for this week coming up. Oh, you have a good night. Oh, you gotta get off, Ollie. What time is it? 5:24. Yeah. We're gonna read the weather. We'll chat here till like 5:30, and then we'll read the weather. We're gonna be live streaming again until tonight on the train channel to get ready for Tuesday's rail fanning day if there is one. If not, if not, if not, it will be a cancellation stream for the second consecutive day. Or second consecutive Tuesday it is. Yeah, sorry about that. By the way, let's get a shout out to my friend, my longtime friend Ollie Mainstein. He's coming on regular much than he comes more on regular than the train channel because we're gonna be streaming on the train channel tonight for Tuesday's rail fanning day if there is one. If not, there will be a cancellation stream for the second consecutive Tuesday. I did a cancellation last week. The only day I didn't stream last week was Friday. I took the Friday off, and then we streamed on regular on the both weekends due to snow. We're gonna see if Terry or Jeremy comes on here for a little bit. If not, we'll see both of those guys tonight on the train channel to get ready for Tuesday's rail fanning if there is one. It depends on the weather wise. It's not to do with the sicknesses yet. It just depends on how much weather is going to be too. We'll be doing a lot of cancellation streams coming up soon between bad weather and sicknesses. I appreciate having Terry and Ollie Mainstein for coming on Jeffrey's regular channels live weather update in in a nasty way here today. I didn't put anything on Community Post on regular since last month, I think, with the holiday, the previous holiday. We won't be going live on Thanksgiving. Instead, we're going to be streaming the night after Thanksgiving for the Santa Claus thing. And we will be live streaming on Christmas night as well. What's that? Oops. Oops. All right, we're back. Sorry, Mom was asking me if I was going to start, but I'm gonna read the weather updates for Crawford and Erie, and then I gotta end the live, take a break for supper, and get CBS shows on here. Then that will be it, and then we're coming back on later tonight on the Train Channel for Tuesday's rail fanning day. Do you know what timer is the stream? By the way, I didn't even ask. Well, I'm gonna go ahead now and rate the Operation Weather thing. Then I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna keep streaming. By the way, until I'm gonna try keep streaming until 6 o'clock, or unless if she needs me to get down for supper. But otherwise, I'm just gonna keep streaming until 6 o'clock tonight, and then we're gonna take a 2.5 hour break for supper and CBS though. Get shows on and also this too. All right, let's go ahead now and read the weather forecast for tonight for Titusville and all this, and then we can end it, and then we can end this live stream. We have to read not only Titusville but also for other Crawford counties as well as the two in Erie counties as well. Let's go ahead now and read the weather forecast for tonight for Titusville. They're saying we're only going to read is tonight and tomorrow only. That's it, though. So, all right, here's the forecast for tonight for Titusville. They're saying snow showers early, with it becoming a steadier snow overnight. Low 25. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. For Tuesday, snow in the morning to transition to snow showers during the afternoon. High 34. Chance of snow 80%. About 1 inch of snow expecting. And Tuesday night, cloudy, low 29. We did Titusville, right? Yeah, I got that out of the way. Here's the forecast for low tonight. They're saying tonight, they're saying snow in the evening. What was this popped up? Eugene. That was Eugene popped up on Messenger. I'm sorry, I didn't see that. All right, any event, here's the forecast for Titusville tonight. They're saying, or I beg your pardon, for Linesville tonight it is. They're saying snow in the evening. Will give away lingering snow showers late. Low 26. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. For Tuesday, cloudy with morning snow. High 35. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. For Tuesday, a few flurries or snow showers possible. Otherwise, cloudy skies and cold. Low 30. Here's the forecast real quick for Northeast. They're saying tonight, they're saying cloudy and becoming windy with snow showers in the evening and a steadier snow. Yep, the connection's going out. Okay. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that again? Sure. They're saying tonight for, are you talking about Northeast? Yeah. Okay. For tonight, they're saying cloudy with snow showers early with a steadier snow after midnight. Low 29. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. For Tuesday, windy with snow in the morning will give away some showers of rain and wet snow in the afternoon. High 38. Chance of precip 70%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, cloudy with a few flurries or snow showers possible. Low 32. I gotta I'm gonna stop the weather for a minute because there's just um must be John coming in to reset the internet. Yeah. Okay. All right. I forgot what I was doing here. Sorry. All right. Here's the forecast. What are we doing next? Erie or what? Hmm. No. Yes, let's do Erie and Maidville is all we have left. Okay. All right. Here's the forecast for Erie tonight. I need the Monday night here. I was gonna say, yeah, thank you. Let me reset it for you. Yeah, thank you. All right, here's the forecast for tonight for Erie. They're saying windy, windy with snow showers, low 31, chance of snow 70%, about 1 inch of snow expecting. Okay. All right. For Tuesday, they're saying windy. For Tuesday, they're saying windy with snow early, mixing in with rain in the afternoon. High 39. Chance of precipitation 7%. Winds could gust over 40 miles per hour. And Sunday night, cloudy with late night snow showers. Low 32. Chance of snow uh, chance of snow, let's see, 50%. And finally, here's the forecast for Maidville. For Maidville tonight, yeah, they're saying periods of snow. Oh, look at this. Listen to this tonight's forecast for Maidville. They're saying periods of snow, low 27, wind listen to this. Chance of rain 80%. Snow accumulating 8 to 12 inches. I mean, 8 to 12 inches of snow. That's the biggest snow. I have not seen any snow accumulations around Crawford County. So, this is going to be the worst snow accumulations we'll see in all of Crawford County in Pennsylvania. My goodness. For Tuesday, variable clouds with snow showers, high 34, chance of snow 70%, snowfall around 1 inch. And for Tuesday night, a few flurries or snows, otherwise cloudy skies, low 29. That's all. Okay. Yeah, supposed to call for 8 to 12 inches in Maidville. Wow. Yeah. It's supposed to call for like starting with the snow showers first, then later, and then overnight. It's supposed to call for some steadier snow. I can't believe Titusville is not calling for much snow accumulations. Yeah, I can't believe Titusville's not calling for much snow. I know, and I can't believe Maidville's getting the worst though. I know. I can't believe they're calling for the best snow accumulations in the history of Crawford County. 8 to 12 around Meadville. So also call for 8 to 12 around Meadville. Just 1 to 3. It's supposed to be 5 to 8, but they changed it to 1 to 3. Yeah, I can't believe that Meadville is going to get the worse weather than Titusville. I know. It's supposed to get 8 to 12 in Meadville, only 1 to 3 here, but Meadville's calling for 8 to 12. I don't think Titusville or any of the Erie counties are not calling for much snow. I think it's just Meadville is the only one who's going to get the worst.
How about Erie?
Not much. They're not calling for much. They're not calling for much snow accumulation, but Meadville is getting the worst.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I think it's supposed to get worse for Crawford than Erie. That's why. Usually it's the opposite, but not the snowfall. Yeah. We're going to end the live here in a minute. We're just about going to get ready to end the stream here so we can start supper. Yeah, I don't think we're not going to see much snow around Titusville or anywhere in Erie County, but Meadville, as I said, is supposed to get worse. Well, Titusville was originally supposed to get the worst, but for some reason, they're saying no. It's supposed to call for 1 to 3 here and then 8 to 12 elsewhere in Crawford County. It even includes Meadville. My goodness. Do you want to just keep streaming till 6 and then we can get off? Yeah. Yeah. All right. All right. I'll be right back, Rail fan. No, this is regular. We're not showing our room. Okay. All right. I'll be right back, guys. I'm trying to keep streaming until 6 o'clock. Then that's gonna do it on regular because this is the only time I'm gonna stream on regular. Ken, you're right. It's not a we're not streaming on the train, but we are streaming on regular here tonight. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, we're back live for the next 5 minutes. We're gonna keep streaming until 6 o'clock, and then I'm gonna have to end the live stream because I gotta eat and get programs on tonight as well. We got some subscribers going up here on regular, so that's why we're gonna start streaming here more often, especially with weather. Especially with weather. I gotta get this channel bottle right in here. There we go. JRP in the chat. Yeah, for now until because regular. Well, yeah, we're gonna be on for a couple more minutes, and then we gotta get ready to end the live stream for tonight. Should be the sixth leg. Yeah, should have been. This is our second. No, this is the fourth stream on regular. Did we what read the? I already done read the weather for Erie and Crawford, and there's one county in Asheville is under a special weather statement. It's going to be up to the 25-year-old Jeremy Tinsley to act first. He's going to take a look at his cards. He's got a 6-8 action draw first. He's not going to play this hand. Well, that's pretty remarkable that we get to see these players' cards and how they play every week here on the World Poker Tour. There is no more mystery here. We are seeing the cards. That makes it very, very interesting. It really is dramatic, and it's also educational to get to watch these great players. Yeah, I gotta have to. Got another minute here, then I'm gonna have to end the live stream for tonight. This is the only stream we're doing on regular because the other stream we're gonna be on is tonight at 8:30 on the Train channel to get ready for Tuesday's Rail Fanning Day if there is one. Johnny Dawson, the old guy with the job at the table. Tommy Grimes is a Jack King, but he's not gonna play it. Devilfish going out with an ace-deuce. Now Johnny Donaldson certainly not intimidated on the first deal. He's coming in there firing, and he picks up the pot. Johnny Donaldson, a guy who's only been playing in public poker rooms for less than 1 year, picks up the first pot in the World Poker Open. Oh yeah, he made it look easy there, Mike. Well, that's a poker time that looks like this. Everybody buys in for this. So. There we go. Let's see what time. 6 o'clock. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna have to go ahead and end the live stream for tonight. Cause I gotta eat dinner, and then I gotta get programs on tonight. We've been how long? We've been on for about over I can't remember, an hour and 12 minutes of streaming today. So this is probably gonna be it for this live stream for Jeffrey's regular channel page. Again, we have a special weather statement in effect for Erie, Crawford, and Asheville counties of Pennsylvania and in Ohio until 5:15 this afternoon. And we also have a lake effect snow warning in effect for southern Erie and Crawford counties until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. It's supposed to call for about 8 to 12 inches around Meadville, and everywhere else is supposed to get worse, though. Not going to get much worse, though. So thanks for watching Jeffrey the regular channel's live weather update on YouTube. And we'll be back on tonight at 8:30 on the Train channel to get ready for Tuesday's rail fanning day, if there is one. Talk to you then. Good night, everyone. Well, not good night, everyone yet, though. That's for tonight. All right, we'll talk to you guys tonight at 8:30 on the Train channel to get ready for Tuesday's rail fanning day. Talk to you then.